Peace, family. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. We'll answer all of your questions, concerns, and comments. Now, today I want to answer a question briefly, and this is actually regarding bankruptcy. So one of our credit healing customers, they asked, okay, so what happens to my good standing account if I file for bankruptcy? And what should I do? Now, my answer to you is what you should do before you even file for bankruptcy, if you're going to go that route, is whatever accounts that you have, you want to pay them off so the balance becomes zero. And then when you file for bankruptcy, it won't be attached to that bankruptcy account. Because if you keep the account open or if you have a balance, then what's going to happen is that the account that is associated with your credit report, that is going to actually be put on that bankruptcy. It's going to say this is included in the bankruptcy, which will actually make it harder to get removed once you get it on there. So what you want to do is you want to take that account, you want to pay it off, pay it to zero, and then when you file for bankruptcy, you won't have that problem with that particular account being included with that bankruptcy, which will make it even easier to get removed. Okay, so I want to be able to give that to you all. I hope that you can understand that, regarding these bankruptcies, I know it's a very touchy thing, but once you get your bankruptcy on there, many times it's actually difficult to get off. And I can show you how to get it off, but you have to go through the process. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at credithealing@gmail.com, or if you're ready to get started, go to www.credithealing.org. Peace.